Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You begin by getting power to the system and a stable connection. Start the engine or switch to ACC so the 2018 RAV4 Entune screen is live. This allows maps and voice features to initialize. Once done, connect your phone with Bluetooth or USB if you want real-time traffic and voice search. Then press the MAP or voice button. This opens the navigation app instantly. Follow the on-screen prompts. Entering destinations is faster with voice input. You now specify where you're going and how you want to get there. Tap Search or Dest on the map screen, then pick address, point of interest, or recent destinations to speed entry. If you prefer hands-free, press the mic and speak the full street address or business name. Entune parses common formats. Once the destination is set, review route options. Choose fastest or shortest and toggle avoid tolls if needed. Make sure to confirm the selected route before starting to ensure correct turn guidance. You're on the move. Follow the turn-by-turn prompts and pay attention to lane guidance and ETA updates on the screen. Make mid-trip changes by using the screen to add stops or hit cancel or home to abort navigation. This resets voice prompts and map display. If the map lags, the common fix is to restart the infotainment system or disconnect and reconnect your phone to restore traffic data. If problems persist, make sure Map and Entune software are updated at a dealer or via Toyota updates.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.